Going to take apart this GoPro Hero 7. Get some red light here. So we start off popping off the little battery door. Oh, look how easy that was. That was nice. Then we take the lens cap cover off. Oh, pretty easy so far. Not really. You have to twist it. Find a way to twist it, but it twists and then it just pops off. Very, very easy. Then you need some tools like this. One of these. You know, a couple of them are actually good. And if you're lucky, snap, the cover will just come right off. Bam. Now you can see where the glue around the display, the outside display here, where that's the watertight glue. Now the last one I had, this one here, my Hero 6, I completely destroyed this trying to take it off. So some of them are very, very hard to take off. Very, and you might not ever get it off. They usually tear around this side here, you know, here, because as you can see, there's not much really to hold on to there. So, saying that, I was very happy with this one. So let's continue. Now I just ran into a little snag here. Sometimes the little screws are very hard to get out. Depending on the type of equipment you buy, these tips can strip. So what I did on this one when it's stripped is I just sanded it down, kept it as square as I could, plumb as I could, or whatever, and sanded it. So I got new metal, new head on it, and then when I just take the head and stick it in the hole like that, and then we'll stick it in the screw and then tap it with a small hammer. I happen to have a little tuning hammer here, so it's a good little, or Shawshank Redemption rock hammer. So anyway, yeah, so tap it on that a few times and then put your screwdriver and take it out. It should be a lot easier and you won't strip them. Torque head 3. There's 6 of them. You can see it's very cramped to work on in that, but it's not as intimidating as it looks. So next, we're going to you can see it. We're going to take off. There's a strip, like a tape-like strip on top of these connectors here. You're going to save that, but you're going to pull that off. Then you're going to have access to 1, 2, 3. I've kept the tape that I pulled off. This is for the battery keeper, and this is for those 3 terminals I was showing you, which are right here. 1, 2, 3, and they were on top of that. And this all comes off as one piece. It's taped onto this, and also this black strip here. This comes off too as well. We're just taking it out of this hole here. Right there. It's a long one. You make a note of this piece here because has to go back in the same way. It's loose. It'll come out. So just make sure you know that's going to come out, and you'll have to wrangle it back in there. Then there's a ribbon right here that goes off to that side over here. This ribbon here, that's got to be very gently taken out of here, pop, and underneath that there's another screw, a long one like the last one. That ribbon's come off, and the other screw is out. There's another screw. It's just a little bit shorter. The unit comes off, and you can leave the chrome little piece there that can stay on. And then you got all your screws for the motherboard. Okay, and the pattern matches the board. If you're taking it off the board this way, this piece has got to come off here, this tab here. Gently pull that off. Take the covering off that off, and then pull that tab off there. And we've already separated the tape here, and the motherboard should come right off. Okay, at this present stage, no need to take the camera off. There's no need to remove it. I've already seen where the damage is. Look at that. Oh man. So seawater got in. Well, you can see where that's been corroded completely around the HDMI and the power cable input. You can actually see where it's shorted out on the board there. Alright, where all that black is. Scrape it off. Alright, so I've put it back together. It's just the reversal of, obviously it's just the reversal of what taking it apart was. So I haven't screwed down the top plate yet. I'm going to test it first with the battery. Usually the red light comes on. This works? Yeah. It seems to be doing the power up, power down thing pretty good. Sweet. There's the old motherboard. Garbage. There's a lot of good parts though. Damn. Destroy my own phone. Alright, and then the case. I'll take the case apart. Bad case. It's loading up on the hard drive in the computer. It's loading. And I must say it's been doing everything fine. I've got it on voice command, which I like. I love the voice command on this. So, you know, it's been doing all the commands. Tried it about maybe 15 times tonight. And it seems to be doing a pretty bang up job. Pretty happy.